What's going on, everybody? And here is my iPhone 13 Pro Max in the Zagg Piccadilly snap case. This is just give you an update of how the Sierra Blue looks in this particular case. I think it looks really good. You have the black outlining on this case right here, and then as well as the black outline for the MagSafe charging. And as I do have the camera lens covers, it kind of matches the Sierra Blue pretty well, and I personally think this looks like a pretty good match. So I like how everything still shows well, the color shows well, and you just have a really good looking case on a very nice looking phone. Hope this gives you an idea of the Zagg G4 Piccadilly snap case on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. More updates for you guys on the cases that I showed in my first video. Potentially have another video coming up with more accessories.